Hello everybody, we are showing our latest AM system integrated with one LCD screen. So first it is one AM antenna. This is a tag. When you detect the tag, there will be alarm. And also you can see the LCD screen here. We will show some advertisement of the store. And on the back, you can insert a poster. It's a printed advertisement paper. This is our latest design and technology. So the LCD screen, you can show pictures or videos. How we can upload the different kind of picture of different store or video. There are two choices. First, you can use the mobile app to upload by the Wi-Fi directly. And another, you have a choice to use the cloud server to upload and manage the video or pictures remotely. It's very convenient for the administrator to manage this kind of information.